If your laptop is actually consuming too much data, well, you're lucky to find this video. In this video, I'll share with you 3 tips you can use to stop that. Before I actually knew these tips, the first time I got my laptop, I connected to my phone I hotspotted my laptop, and in less than 5 minutes, I lost 2 gig of data for no reason. But now, after I found out this tip, my data is actually secured and I got less consumption. So let's get right into it. The first is to locate your internet properties and toggle on metered connection. That is one of the major issue people face. If your internet your metered connection is toggled off, you will basically lose a lot of data for no reason. But if it's toggled on, this is telling your computer to manage the amount of data it's sending out. So to locate it, head over to this side. It's work well on Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. So just go to this side. Go to this. You should be connected to the actual internet. Now you should see these properties just like that. And as you can see, mine is toggled on. So if yours is toggled off, toggle it on just like that. Let me show you another way to locate it. Locate the metered connection. Head over to your settings. Go to network and internet, just like so. And you should click on the Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to your phone again. Then the second one like this. Then you should be able to find it and toggle it on. With this second tip, we'll also be needing our settings, literally. We are checking for Windows updates. The second most common issue you face when your laptop is consuming too much data is when it's updating. So if that's the case, as you can see, my laptop is showing you're up to date, so I have no issue like that. But if that's your case, or you're just seeing your Windows need updates, stuff like that, it doesn't matter. Just head over to this side and you want to pause it for as many weeks as you can. Then after that weekend, you can pause it again, or just find a way to update it. So like mine, you won't be able to have any issues like that. You can pause it for 5 weeks or any amount of weeks you possibly can. Now for the third tip, it's actually from Microsoft Store. You can just come in here and search for Microsoft Store and you can open. Just like that. You let it load, and the point is you're going to your profile to check if just go to your profile settings here and enter the settings. Now, if your auto update is on, this could be another reason why your laptop is consuming so much data. So you want to go ahead and toggle it off. And now we have disabled auto update. As you can see, it says update apps automatically. Possibly you have some apps that are automatically updating. You don't want that, so go ahead and toggle it off. And I believe this video has been informative to you, so make sure you like the video, subscribe, and share it to a friend who is actually facing the same issue with his Windows PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.